Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own quiz game right now with vibe coding. So let's get started. So first things first, let's play the game. Alright, click the start button. So question, what is the capital of Nigeria? I guess it's Abuja. Alright, HTML stands for let me fail myself. You see my life is gonna go down. I have 2 lives, let me fail myself. Wow, I just have 1 life remaining. So CSS stands for let's say styling. JavaScript is used for logic, which is a programming language. Python. WWD is, I'm going to fail right now. Let's go. Let me say FTP. Are you seeing it? It gave us game over button. Alright. So let me show you how to create this game right now. So first thing first, let's go start it. Alright, first thing first, in your file manager or internal storage, create a folder and add in the 3 images you'll be using. The 3 images will serve as first, the introduction page, secondly, the question page, and thirdly, the last page, which will be for the game over or you win page. So let's get started. So we have the images right now. Let's go to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you're going to paste this exact prompt, and one thing about the prompt I leave for you guys is actually self-explanatory, so it's easy to understand. Okay. First thing first, you will notice I added the image here, image 1, and added another image as image 2 and 3. There are 3 images I've added their exact image name. Alright, so just go to the description below. You will find this exact prompt and use it. You can also refine it. You can also add your own question that you want. Alright, so let's click the send button. Alright, ChatGPT has just generated the code for us. This is called vibe coding. So let's go to our code right away. In your R code, this is R code right now. You click new file. You type in index.html. Alright, then you go to ChatGPT, you copy the index.html code and you paste it right here. Now, one thing about vibe coding I love is that anything you don't know, you don't need to ask me directly. You can just ask ChatGPT, I don't know what HTML is for, I don't know this thing, and it's going to explain everything to you, everything to you, and boom, you will understand everything you're doing. And the truth is, vibe coding is a skill on its own, and nobody's going to ask you, how is this work, how does this work, or how it doesn't work. What we want is that, is it working? And AI can troubleshoot, AI can debug, AI can do anything you want it to do. You just have to get creative as much as you can to do it. Alright, so let's get going. Alright, then click the page to vibe with phone. Then you come to the next page, you copy JavaScript, which will be responsible for the logics. So let's go to JavaScript. This is script.js. Then you type in new file again, same thing you are doing. Alright, you type in script.js. Alright, then you click OK. Alright, so that's it. Then you paste in the code. I'm going to click save. I'm going to select that folder that I added my images. Now we are done. So I'm going to run this code. Run. Wow. Here we go. Start.